I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, quick and easy hairstyle. Stay tuned. When you want to style your natural hair, the first thing to do is to stretch your hair. The method of stretching in this video is the banding method. If you want to use your edge control, you can use it so as to make it look nicer. But as you can see, my edges are currently struggling, so I stopped using air wax for a while now. And this is the final look. It looks really nice. You can decide to add accessories to it, maybe Christmas lights. Look at this, for example. I just added ribbon and look at how it went from hair to hair. It looks really beautiful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. I'll connect with you guys in my next video. Bye.